Is sleeping all you want to do? Are you spending your free periods sleeping? Feeling like you're dying during first period math? Feeling drowsy as time goes on? Did you drink coffee this morning? Do you need another cup now? Fear not. Have a warm cup of Ethiopian coffee today. Cultivated and grown in Ethiopia and the Arabian Peninsula since the 15th century, this premium coffee blend is great for curing fatigue and exhaustion. You could drink it black. Drink it with sugar. Drink it with cream. It doesn't matter. Get it shipped through the Mediterranean today. Faster shipping is guaranteed during monsoon seasons in India.